Confused by a crypto. Hey everyone guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's be honest, navigating the crypto world can feel like a really hard stuff, really? And we're all busy adults here, juggling work, life, and maybe even a mortgage. Who has the time to wade through endless technical jargon? Confused by confusing terms like decentralization and proof of stake, we will break it all down in a way that's clear and understandable. So ditch the stress and grab a coffee. It's time to really have a good time crypto trading in this video. Let's do this. By the end of this video, you will be navigating crypto industry like a pro, not freaking out over those confusing technical terms. So get ready to have a great time with us. And let's go. Yes, you heard it right. Cryptocurrencies have become a hot topic in recent years, but what are they? And how do they really work? Let's find out. Imagine having money on the internet. It's protected from the government or bank interference, and you can send it anywhere in the world in seconds. That's how cryptocurrencies work. You can buy cryptocurrency on special exchanges, just sign up on the exchange, choose the cryptocurrency you want, and buy it using your regular currency, such as euros or dollars. Remember, cryptocurrencies are an investment asset, so be careful and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. We will break down some of the confusing crypto terms you might come across. Let's kick things off with the blockchain. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger that records all transactions in a secure and transparent way. It's like a giant online spreadsheet that everyone can see but no one can tamper with. Next up, wallet. Not the one you keep your money in your pocket. A crypto wallet is a digital tool that stores your cryptocurrencies. It's like your personal vault of digital coins. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are created through a process called mining. People called miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. Each time they solve a problem, they are rewarded with new coins. But remember, it's not just a game. Mining requires a lot of energy and computing power. Moving on to HODL. This one might sound funny, but it's actually an important term in the crypto world. HODL simply means holding onto your coins instead of selling them, even when the market gets crazy. Last but not least, let's tackle FUD and FOMO. FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and it refers to negative news or rumors that can cause panic selling. FOMO, on the other hand, is fearing of missing out, which can drive people to buy when prices are high. And there you have it, folks, a crash course in crypto jargon made easy. Remember, the crypto world can be a wild ride, but understanding these terms can help you navigate it with confidence. Give it a thumbs if you found this helpful, guys. The crypto revolution is happening now, and you don't want to miss the train. Keep watching to unlock the main secrets of profiting from cryptocurrencies. So, what is our next step today? Let's cover what is a crypto market. Think of it as a global digital marketplace where people buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Now, you might be wondering, why is the crypto market so popular? Well, one of the reasons is decentralization. Unlike traditional banks, the crypto market isn't controlled by any single authority. It's like a digital democracy where everyone has a say. But with a great freedom comes great responsibility. Right, guys? That's where understanding market trends comes in handy. Market trends are like the weather forecast for crypto. They help us predict which way price might move. Now let's talk about trading strategies. There are many ways to approach the crypto market, from day trading to long-term investing. It's like choosing your adventure in a digital jungle. You gotta find what works best for you. But remember, the crypto market can be unpredictable at times. That's why it's important to do your research, stay informed, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's very, very important. And lastly, don't forget to stay safe out there. With great opportunity comes great risk also, so always be cautious and protect your digital assets like a treasure chest. What is super important for everyone in crypto? Staying safe in the wild west of the new world. Just like you wouldn't leave your front door wide open, you shouldn't leave your crypto assets unprotected. Always use strong password and consider using two-factor authentications for extra security. Next up, beware of scams. Unfortunately, the crypto world can attract some shady characters looking to take advantage of unsuspecting traders. Be cautious of offers that sound too good to be true, and never give out your private keys or personal information to anyone. What about wallet safety? Just like you wouldn't stuff your pockets with cash and walk around, you shouldn't keep all your crypto in one place. Consider using different types of wallets like hardware wallets or paper wallets to spread out your risk. And please educate yourself. Knowledge is a power, my friends. Take the time to learn about the cryptocurrency projects you're interested in and understand the risk involved. The more you know, the better equipped you will be to make smart decisions. I answered some common cryptocurrency questions in this video, but what else are you curious about? Comment below, guys. Crypto is a vast universe with lots to learn, so take the time to read articles, watch videos, and follow reliable sources to stay informed about the latest trends and developments. With thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, it can be overwhelming. Start by researching the projects behind the coins, their technology, and their potential for growth. Remember, not all coins are created equal. Crypto isn't just about buying and selling, it's also about connecting with like-minded people who share your interests. Join online forums, participate in decisions, and don't be afraid to ask questions. You will be amazed at how much you can learn from others. Now that you have done your research, chosen your coins, and connected with your community, it's time to start investing. But remember, only invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own due diligence. So there you have it, folks, cryptocurrency for beginners. So if you've been feeling confused by crypto, don't worry, we have covered the basics in the video to make it super easy to beginners like you with a little bit of practice. So you will be soon on your way to mastering the world of cryptocurrencies, and happy trading. The learning doesn't stop here. Join my Telegram channel, link in the description, for a supportive crypto community, live question and answer sessions, and exclusive access to crypto resources. This was Michael. When I first started my journey in the world of cryptocurrency, I was also very confused, but over time I figured out, and now I want to help you do the same. Subscribe to my channel and continue the journey to crypto clarity. Hit that subscribe button and get ready to more beginner-friendly crypto content. Goodbye, good luck, and till the next video.